How to use Pinterest to grow your Etsy shop. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Rebecca, and in today's video we will learn about Etsy shop and how to promote your Etsy shop with Pinterest, and what you need to know about Pinterest and how to grow your Pinterest account if you want to see growth on your Etsy shop as well. And of course I will show you what you're doing wrong if you have a Pinterest account and you are promoting your Etsy shop with Pinterest but you have no growth on your Pinterest account. So let's go. Step number 1, you will need to create a Pinterest account, a Pinterest business account, and then you will need to add a profile image, a cover image to create a cover image that will attract more people, to write a description to your Pinterest account, an attractive description, a description that will make people to understand what kind of online business you are promoting on your Pinterest account. On my YouTube channel you will find a video, Pinterest basic setup for beginners, so you can watch the video if you need help in setting your Pinterest account from zero. Then you'll need to create boards, at least 15 boards for a Pinterest account based on what kind of online business you have. If you are selling on Etsy shop handmade products, you'll need to create 15 boards, and in these 15 boards you will need to add your own pins with your products. So maybe if you are selling accessories, you will need to create boards like necklace, rings, accessories, and this kind of boards. Step number 3, join to group boards. If you want to see growth on your Pinterest account and if you want to promote your Etsy shop with your Pinterest account, you'll need to join to specific group boards based on what kind of products you are promoting. If you are promoting digital products, if you have an Etsy shop where you are selling digital products, you'll need to join to specific group boards, and in this way you will find more clients and you'll get more traffic to your Pinterest account. Step number 4, create attractive pins and post these pins in the group boards and in your own boards, and be careful with the description, with the title, and with the link when you post a pin. Step number 5, use Tailwind app to schedule your pins. This will help you a lot. This will help you to get more outbound clicks to your pins. You'll be able to add and to schedule your pins in some communities from your Tailwind app, and from these communities people will add your pins in their own group board. So in this way you will find more clients and you will get more outbound clicks and more traffic to your account. In the next minutes I will show you what you're doing wrong if you have a Pinterest account but you see no growth on your Pinterest account and not enough sales to your Etsy shop as you expected for. Number 1, you're not using keywords for the description of your bio section from the profile, for the description from your boards, and for the description from your pins when you are posting a pin, and from the title of your pin. You will need to use keywords in your description from everywhere, and in this way you will get more traffic to your Pinterest account. So make sure that you will use description. This is a wrong thing that you will do if you are not using keywords. Number 2, you are not joining to the right group boards. You will need to join to specific group boards. If you are selling on your Etsy shop handmade products, you will need to join to handmade group boards. So handmade Etsy shop, Etsy sellers, and this kind of group boards. If you are selling digital products, you will need to join to group boards where people are promoting digital products as well as you. So you'll need to join to specific group boards. Number 3, you are not following people. You'll need to follow people and other people with the same content as you, or other people that are looking for this kind of shop that you have. And number 4, you are not using Tailwind app. Tailwind is an app that will help you a lot to increase your Pinterest account, because you will be able to schedule your pins in another communities, and from these communities all the people are able to get your pin and to schedule your pin and to add your pin in their group board. So in this way you will find more people that can click on your pins, and you will get more views, more traffic to your account, and more clients to your shop. So make sure that you have Tailwind app and that you schedule your pins with this app when you are posting a pin. I hope that I was helpful for you with this video, and I hope that you will be able now to promote your Etsy shop with Pinterest. You will need to follow all of this process. You will need to follow all of these steps if you want to see growth on your Pinterest account and if you want to get more sales to your shop. If you need help with Etsy shop, with creating a Pinterest account for your Etsy shops or for your online business that you have, you can message me on my Instagram account rebecca.passionintoincome, or you can get in contact with me by clicking on the links in the description. You'll have there my email address as well. Thank you for being here. I hope that I was helpful for you, and I hope that I will see you in my next video as well. Bye.